Isn't it time for...
Duggee!
Duggee! Duggee and the Hiccup badge. Hello, Duggee. What are you doing? Oh, woof, woof, woof. Oh, you're flower arranging. Oh, woof. Huh. Looks like you might need a few more flowers, Duggee. Ah, woof. So, where are the squirrels, Duggee? Oh, woof. Oh, yes. How did I miss them?
Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that?
I don't know, Norrie.
It's worm.
Yuck!
Oh dear, have you swallowed too much earth?
Uh-huh. Oh dear, oh dear. All that earth has given you hiccups, worm.
Rolly, that's not nice. You wouldn't like it if you got hiccups, Rolly.
Now, come on, squirrels. It's not really funny. This hiccuping is getting quite out of hand. I wonder if Duggee can help.
Yay! Yes, we've got the hiccups.
What they're trying to tell you, Duggee, is that they all have... yes.
Oh no, you've got the hiccups too.
Woof, woof, woof.
Whoa.
Oh, the Hiccup badge.
Do you know how to cure hiccups, Duggee?
Woof. Oh, a glass of water. What a good idea, Duggee.
Do you still have hiccups, Duggee?
Oh, no.
Yay!
Do you still have hiccups, squirrels?
No. Can we give water to everyone else with hiccups, Duggee?
Oh, woof.
Yay!
Norrie, you're doing very well carrying that tray of water.
Thank you.
Happy, remember the water's for the animals, not you.
Yeah. that stopped your hiccups?
Yes!
Brilliant! Where has Worm gone?
Oh. Huh?
Thank you.
Oh, isn't that lovely? Worm is saying thank you for curing his hiccups. Haven't the squirrels done well today, Duggee? Oh. Oh. Well done, squirrels. You've earned your hiccup badge.
Yay!
Ah, and here are your parents. Just time for one more thing.
Duggee hug!
Oh.
Duggee hug. We've got our hiccup badges. Oh.
Bye-bye, everybody. Oh, that was fun, wasn't it, Duggee?
Yes!